Ever stop to consider what your personal style says about you? It's more than just a fashion statement. It's a reflection of your personality, your mood, your vibes. It's a language without words, an unspoken dialogue between you and the world. Now, imagine if this language could not only help you express your unique self, but also enhance your confidence. Intriguing, isn't it? What if there was a way to not only express your personal style, but also to boost your confidence? Fashion isn't just about the clothes we wear. It's a powerful tool that shapes our identities and our confidence. It's the language we use to express who we are and who we aspire to be. It's a reflection of our personal story, our mood, and even our social status. It's a tool for self-expression, and just like any other form of art, it's deeply personal and subjective. Fashion can be a mood booster, a confidence enhancer. When we wear an outfit that we feel good in, we carry ourselves differently. We stand taller, we smile brighter, we radiate a certain energy. Fashion gives us the power to control how we want to be perceived by the world, bold, elegant, casual, or sophisticated. Let's talk numbers for a moment. The global apparel market is valued at $3 trillion, 3,000 billion, or 2% of the world's gross domestic product. That's a testament to the importance of fashion in our society. Every year, billions of people around the world invest in fashion to express their style, to boost their confidence, and to feel good about themselves. It's not just about vanity, it's about self-care and self-love. It's about investing in one's image, which in turn can impact various aspects of life, from personal relationships to professional success. And it's not just about the big fashion houses. Did you know that small and medium-sized businesses produce more than half of all fashion items sold worldwide? This highlights the diversity and creativity in the fashion world, offering endless possibilities for everyone, regardless of their budget or style preferences. Fashion is also a powerful economic driver, providing jobs for millions of people worldwide, from designers and models to retail workers and factory employees. It's a dynamic industry that constantly evolves, setting trends that influence our culture and lifestyle. So, the right fashion choice can truly transform your life. But where can you find the best fashion items? Welcome to eBay, your one-stop shop for all your fashion needs. A world of style awaits you here, a treasure trove that extends beyond the horizon. eBay is not just a marketplace, it's your fashion destination, a place where you can explore, discover, and indulge in all things style. Picture a vast garden where every flower is a unique fashion piece waiting to be picked. That's eBay for you. From vintage gems to the latest trends, from everyday essentials to one-of-a-kind rarities, our fashion garden blooms with variety. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast, a style connoisseur, or someone who simply loves to express themselves through their attire, eBay is your playground. Let's talk about clothing. You'll find an array of options ranging from comfortable casuals for your lazy Sunday afternoons to chic formals for your power-packed workdays. Summer dresses, winter coats, denim jackets, silk scarves, whatever your wardrobe requires, eBay has got you covered. But fashion isn't just about clothes, is it? It's also about those little details that add a dash of personality to your look. Yes, we're talking about accessories. On eBay, you can find everything from statement necklaces that command attention to delicate rings that whisper elegance, from quirky socks that add a pop of color to your outfit to classic watches that exude sophistication. These are not just accessories, these are the finishing touches to your style story. And let's not forget about shoes. Whether you're a sneakerhead, a stiletto lover, or a boot enthusiast, you'll find a vast selection on eBay. Step into the shoes that match your mood, your outfit, or simply your whim of the day. Now, you might be thinking, with such a wide range of products, how can we ensure quality? How can we ensure that when you pick a flower from our fashion garden, it's as real and beautiful as it appears to be? But you might be wondering, how can you be sure that the items you purchase on eBay are authentic? The answer lies in eBay's authenticity guarantee, a promise that we'll dive into in the next section. Stay tuned, style seekers. eBay's authenticity guarantee ensures that you can shop with confidence. Picture this. You're browsing online for that perfect piece of jewelry, something that's going to elevate your style and boost your confidence. You find the perfect piece on eBay, but you hesitate. Is it authentic? With eBay's authenticity guarantee, you can put those worries to rest. So what exactly is eBay's authenticity guarantee? Well, it's a promise that eBay stands behind every purchase made on their platform. It's a commitment to ensure that all high-value items like that gorgeous piece of jewelry you've got your eye on are meticulously inspected and verified by independent experts. These experts are industry professionals, armed with years of experience and trained to spot even the most sophisticated counterfeits. But let's delve a bit deeper. eBay's authenticity guarantee kicks in when you purchase any eligible item. Once you've made your purchase, instead of the item being sent directly to you, it's first sent to one of eBay's third-party authentication partners. These experts then conduct a rigorous and thorough examination of the item. They check for things like quality, condition, and of course authenticity. Only when they're absolutely certain that the item is genuine does it get the authenticity guarantee badge and is then shipped to you. This process might sound a bit lengthy, but rest assured it's all done with speed and efficiency. And the best part? It's completely free of charge. Yes, you heard it right. eBay's authenticity guarantee doesn't cost you a single penny extra. It's eBay's way of making sure you get exactly what you paid for, no nasty surprises. So whether you're a style aficionado hunting for that elusive designer piece, or a newbie just starting your fashion journey, eBay's authenticity guarantee has got you covered. It's a safety net, a seal of approval, a peace of mind. It's a testament to eBay's commitment to upholding the highest standards of authenticity and customer satisfaction. So, you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. Now it's time to level up your style with eBay. Imagine a world where style isn't limited by in-store availability or brand exclusivity. A place where you can discover a vast array of fashion items, from vintage couture to modern streetwear, and everything in between. That's the beauty of eBay. Let's start with accessories, the secret weapon of any style aficionado. A statement necklace or a classic timepiece can transform an ordinary outfit into something extraordinary. On eBay, you'll find a wide selection of jewelry for every budget, style, and occasion. And the best part? You can make these purchases confidently, knowing that eBay's authenticity guarantee has you covered. Next, let's talk about clothing. eBay isn't just a marketplace, it's a treasure trove of unique fashion finds. Whether you're looking for a designer jacket, a one-of-a-kind vintage dress, or a pair of trendy sneakers, eBay has it. You can reinvent your wardrobe and redefine your style without breaking the bank. But leveling up your style isn't just about what you wear, it's also about how you wear it. Confidence is key when it comes to fashion. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. eBay offers a platform where you can explore and experiment with your style, embracing what makes you uniquely you. And don't forget about the power of a well-curated collection. With eBay, you can build a wardrobe that truly reflects your personal style. You can find pieces that speak to you, that tell your story, and as your style evolves, so can your collection. Finally, remember that style is a journey, not a destination. It's about expressing who you are and who you want to be. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. And with eBay, this journey becomes a joyous adventure, full of discovery and self-expression. With eBay, you can make fashion choices that express your personal style and boost your confidence. So, are you ready to upgrade your style with eBay? We've embarked on a journey today, peeling back the curtain on the fashion world and its captivating allure. We've explored how fashion isn't just about looking good, it's a medium of self-expression, a language that speaks volumes about who we are and what we stand for. We've also uncovered the thrill of being a part of this vibrant world, of feeling the rush that comes with rocking a new outfit, or experimenting with a bold accessory. We've seen how the right piece can elevate your style, making you feel like you can conquer anything that comes your way. But we've also spoken about the importance of quality and authenticity in fashion. It's not enough to just look good. You need to feel good about your choices too. That's where eBay's authenticity guarantee comes into play. It ensures that when you choose to purchase that statement piece, it's the real deal. No knockoffs, no counterfeits, just genuine quality. And with eBay, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in your confidence, choosing to put your trust in a platform that values authenticity and quality. You're choosing to level up your style, to make a statement, to express your individuality. Remember, your personal style is a powerful tool. Use it wisely with eBay's authenticity guarantee and let your confidence shine.